Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Need to check your flights or book easily? Here's how to log into Emirates app in just a few seconds. First, open the Emirates app on your Android or iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now tap on Skyward's icon at the bottom right and tap Login. Now enter your registered email address or Skyward's number. Let me go with my email address and enter the password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap Forgot or Create Password to receive it via email and tap Login. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard, view bookings, check flight status or manage Skyward's miles. And that's it. That's how you log into your Emirates app. Enjoy smoother travel with everything just a tap away. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.